Hi, again. Medyo sinisipag po ako mag-type. Sa bagal ko mag-type, whatever I'm going to tell you or to say, it would take some time to finish, no? Pag nagta-type ako. So, might as well have this on a spontaneous pala. Spontaneous na lang. Okay? This is a 1 liter gallon na pet bottle. Okay? I cut it into tinanggal ko lang yung portion niya. And then I reinforce this. Mind you, even if I drop this, it's really ilang patong yan. I'll weigh this after when I'm done with it. For now, these are practically lahat yan. And I'm planning to come up with more. Parang ito na yung pinaka-canvas ko. Since we don't have enough wall na pagsasabitan ko ng canvas or whatever painting that I might come up with. Okay, so ito na lang muna. And this is very functional kasi sa akin. I can do the stackable thing. Okay? And this is very functional. I can make parang a stand or what do you call this? Whatever, basta flexible. You can think of something else. Ang sa akin lang, okay, there's one in the making. Okay, eto naman, yan. Yan lang, you can see, yan. 1 liter bottle yan. Water bottle. And then I cup it into shape, nahulog. Patay kang bata ka. Anyway, hindi naman siya maapektuhan. Kaya lang pinatutuyo ko pa lang yan eh. Kaya medyo ingat lang din. Yan, this is how it looks like. Iba lang ang design nito. Alright, yan. I painted black, lahat yan acrylic paint. 2 coating or it might be 3 kasi may mga part pa na may itim, may mga colored pa or whatever. So I really have to redo. Or no, not redoing. Parang double check ko pa rin kasi may mga part na hindi pa rin nakukulayan or what. But the bottom line there is, nag-i-enjoy ako. And I hope it might serve as an inspiration to you guys or you might want to try it. This is clay art. Okay, dito pala I use alam mo ba yung mga boxes ng mga Pizza Hut or whatsoever? Okay, maganda kasi yung box niya. Okay, ito yung mga yan. Basta malinis yung boxes sa ginagamit ko. Para hindi naman ako mga habang kinakat ko siya. So, yan yung makikita mo. And this portion here, clay yan. Okay, that's all. As simple as it is. Bye!